Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing tourism in Thailand. And a recent statement came to my, well, I shouldn't say statement, but a recent quotation came to my attention in an article from the Bangkok Post. That's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, "Thailand to Turn Away from Mass Tourism, Target the Wealthy." Quoting directly, "The government's tourism revival strategy is to target big spenders seeking privacy and social distancing in the COVID-19 era rather than to try and attract a large number of visitors," according to Tourism Minister Pipat Ratchakiprakan. So one thing I note, I find that term COVID-19 era interesting. What exactly is that? Well, I would hesitate to say that it is the foreseeable future. That is not at all what I think. I think what this particular official was talking about was the immediate aftermath. So basically the end of the year 2020. I do think eventually we're going to see regular travel resume and we will sort of see Thai tourism, or excuse me, I should say tourism in Thailand sort of revert more back to the complexion that we once saw it prior to the COVID-19 lockdowns. Quoting further, and I thought this was rather interesting, the pandemic quoting directly, "The pandemic provides an opportunity to reset the sector, which had become reliant on Chinese groups and backpackers," he said in an interview with Bloomberg News. So it would seem that this particular tourism official, who, again, the tourism minister, Pipat Ratchakiprakan, is looking to at least decrease the reliance of the tourism industry in Thailand on those particular groups. So it looks to me like it may be safe to presume that they are not going to be the priority travelers that Thailand is going to be looking at least in the coming months, for those coming back in to sort of revitalize the tourism industry here in Thailand, which unfortunately has suffered a very great deal since the COVID-19 lockdown. So the thing to take away from this video is, yes, tourism is going to change. I think eventually, probably sometime in the next 9 to 18 months, it will start looking like its former self. But in the meantime, it does not appear that officials in the tourism apparatus or the immigration apparatus seem particularly overly enthusiastic about sort of opening the floodgates and just letting anyone in. And that's a public health concern on one level as well. But it also looks like they may be taking steps to consciously kind of change the demography of tourists coming into Thailand for the foreseeable future.